Okay, today is the 13th of May. So I just came home late. It's almost dark. Went out to the garden and I had a swarm of bees on the fence. And I just cleaned up one hive and placed it here. Now, truth be told, you're not supposed to mess with bees after dark. They get a little agitated. So this is a pretty large swarm. And I put this right underneath them. I was going to shake them in here. I was going to go get the bee suit and attempt to do this in the dark. But it looks like they're kind of moving in on their own. And considering bees live in the dark, I don't know if they would move into a hive when it's dark. But they seem to be going in there. You got to get the queen in. I got two hives. I don't know which one this is from. I've been gone all day. That's one of the things that kind of sucks. And they will get agitated with light. So we'll see what happens here. Oof. Oh boy. Here's one. Okay, put that down. And I got one on my arm, my leg. Okay, I'm not gonna mess with them too much, but yeah. Let's see the back side of this. A clump there. Well, they seem to be going in. I'm going to try to leave them. If they move into it, fine. If they don't, I'll just shake them into it. So, okay, let's see what happens, huh? I know it's just a bee video. I like it when the swarms are easy to get like this, but if you watch any of my other videos, you know that yeah, I can get rather interesting with the swarms. So let's see what happens here. I don't see anybody fanning. That means the queen is not in there. And one of the things I've learned is the queen or queens, sometimes there's multiples, depending if they're the original hive mother. But if they're if this was part of a swarm cell, it's very possible that there could be multiple virgin queens in here. And I try to look for them fanning with their Asimov gland, but I don't see that happening here. Asimov gland, I think that's what it's called. It's a gland that releases a pheromone to tell everybody, oh, it's time to come home. Anyway, I'm just about 3 minutes in. I'll let them be, see what happens. I know they can do it in the dark. I mean, they live their life in the dark, so. See if they move in. Till next time.